Have you ever tried logging into X, formerly Twitter, on your Android device and received the frustrating message, "Sorry, we cannot find your account"? Most people panic, but here's the surprising truth: it's often a simple fix and doesn't mean your account is permanently lost. First, check your username or email. Even a small typo can prevent X from recognizing your account. Make sure you're using the email or phone number linked to your account. If you are unsure, try logging in with a backup email or phone number you might have used. Second, reset your password. Tap Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter your email or phone number and follow the instructions. Sometimes account access issues occur because of outdated credentials or a security lock. Third, clear the app cache. Go to Android Settings Apps, X Storage Clear Cache. Cache data can sometimes interfere with login attempts. After clearing the cache, restart the app and try logging in again. Fourth, check if your account has been suspended or deactivated. X may temporarily lock accounts for suspicious activity. You can visit the X Help Center to submit a support request if you believe your account was wrongly flagged. Finally, update the app. Using an outdated version of X can cause login errors. Go to the Google Play Store, check for updates, and reinstall the app if necessary. In conclusion, sorry, we could not find your account is usually fixable with careful checks of your login details, a password reset, or clearing the app cache. Following these steps solves most Android login issues quickly. If this guide helped you regain access to your X account, subscribe for more tech tips, step-by-step fixes, and solutions to common app issues.